Let's talk about something real, something powerful, something most people never understand. Pain is not your punishment. Pain is your teacher. Pain is your personal trainer for life. Every time you feel pain, your body and your brain are growing. Discomfort means progress. It means something inside you is changing. It means you are leveling up. When you face discomfort, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine, adrenaline, and endorphins. These chemicals don't just make you stronger, they reshape your mind. They build new neural connections. They help you adapt. They make you smarter, faster, and taller. That's why the people who struggle the most often rise the highest. Think about this. Muscles only grow when they are torn. Diamonds are made under pressure. Gold is purified by fire. So why do you expect your life to shine without pain? Discomfort is not destroying you, it is defining you. It's shaping you into something powerful. Every hardship teaches discipline. Every challenge builds courage. Every failure creates wisdom. That's the science of discomfort. You don't grow by the sitting easy. You grow by the standing tall when everything hurts. That's when your true self appears. Have you ever noticed how alert you become? When you are uncomfortable, that's your body saying, wake up. Comfort puts you to sleep. Pain wakes you up to life. Pain reminds you that you are alive, that you still have something to fight for. Studies show the discomfort boosts your mental toughness. It increases your tolerance for stress. It improves memory and focus. It teaches your brain to stay calm under chaos. That's why the soldiers stand in the toughest conditions. That's why champions practice in a pain, because when you're the most discomfortable, you master life. It is not just a physical, emotional pain is part of growth too. Broken hearts teach strength, rejections build confidence, failures build resilience. Every emotional war is a doorway to the evolution. Don't run from the pain, use it. When you feel how, don't escape, explore it. Ask yourself, what is the pain trying to teach me? Because pain always comes with a message, a lesson, a gift, and only the brave ones open it. Pain plus consistency equal growth. Growth plus time equal mastery. Mastery plus purpose equal legacy. That's how legends are built. That's how heroes are made. The world doesn't remember the comfortable ones. It remembers the ones who walk it through pain and turn it into the purpose. Every scare tells a story. Every wound is a proof you didn't quit. So wear your pain is like armor because it makes you unbeatable. Next time you feel pain, small, because that's your upgrade in progress. You're becoming stronger, smarter, sharper, and unstoppable. This is this thought present reminding you your comfort wouldn't build you, but your discomfort will crown you. Stay strong, stay uncomfortable, and stay legendary.